What is going on, Claw fam? Happy 4th of July to all of you. I thought I'd take advantage of this fun holiday and do a fun 4th of July claw machine edition challenge. So I don't really know how this is gonna work, but we're gonna go into Walmart, buy a decent amount of fireworks, and then we're gonna see if we can win them. And then stay tuned after the video and we're gonna shoot them off. I mean, what else am I gonna do with them? So we're at Walmart right now, actually in the parking lot, so we'll go in and start filming. And also, you guys probably don't care, but I finally found my mic. So like now, when I edit a lot of my videos, it's usually really loud and hard to hear me, so now hopefully it won't happen anymore. Hey, you wanna buy a lot of fireworks? Okay, what's going on, guys? So we're at Walmart. We're looking at our options here. We've got some fireworks. We've got a nice selection of fireworks here. See, guys, here's the problem is, if you didn't notice, since exactly last year ago, my YouTube channel has been, so unfortunately, my budget for videos has gone way down. See these $50 fireworks, alright? See, we're not gonna get these. Because you know why? I can barely put food on the table. Thanks to you guys and not watching my videos and clicking my ads and liking my videos and commenting down below. And see, if you do all that, I might be able to get the big guys. But instead, my budget is all the way down here to these $2 smoke bombs. This is all you guys are worth. Okay? I'm just kidding. No, we're gonna probably get, can't decide if I want to get like a bunch of little small stuff or just get one. I think we're just gonna get this. Retail value of $100, please. You're not fooling anyone, alright? Alright guys, we bought our fireworks. I actually got the $20 one just because my bank account's really low right now. Baby, you're a firework. We got the $20 firework package. Looks pretty cool. So we're gonna go to my arcade right now and win it from one of my machines. See if we can even win it, and then we'll light it off afterwards. Alright, what is up, Joy fam? We are at my machine right now. I just emptied all the prizes out, so we're gonna put all the fireworks in, see if we can win them. We got some beautiful fireworks right here. Like that. What are these? June bugs? Right here. Let's go, gosh, I don't even know what, let's just go for the rose blossom right there. She is very blossomed into a rose. Oh, no way. Oh man, we almost got it first try. Let's try that. Oh my gosh. Oh man, these are gonna be hard to win. Oh, no way. Did he just win a firework? Oh, no way. Show us.
Glitter, that's glitter.
Ooh.
Oh.
Oh, that might have it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try for this fat one right here, Sparkling Glory. That's what they used to call me back in the day when I was sparkly and glory. Alright, ready for this? Sparkling Glory. Oh, wow. This just got really weak. We're going back for my queen, Sparkling Glory. Come on. Oh my gosh. Guys, I don't know what it is. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god, we got it! We got it! No! Oh my. I was so darn close. This really grinds my gears. Oh, come on! Ah!
I'll go for it.
I have one try on here, Noli. Right. There, that should have it. What? How? I don't know anymore, man.
Let me give it a shot.
I'm questioning my life. Nolan, I have to win one more, so at least I can feel like I belong in this world. Do you not know what that's like? Losing at the claw machine every single time? Come on, man. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Stay. 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 I mean... Yeah. Oh. Thanks, Walmart, for your cheap fireworks. Alright, well we got color shock. Is that racist?
I think so.
me talking about black people. That's mean. Okay. We're gonna go for 2 in a row here. Just because I'm feeling daring. Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy schlitz! We're gonna win this! Come on. Oh my god, that might have it. Oh my. Hey, how are ya? I can't win one of these fireworks.
I have to have a pistol.
We're going for a different one, guys. That's it. We're going for going for my girl Rose Blossom, alright?
Oh, girl, you get it.
Who comes up with these names? Like, do people literally just watch the firework and be like, you know what? That reminds me of a Rose Blossom, or whatever the heck that is. Or they just try to get creative af. Oh, there we go. Come on, stay in there. No! My God!
Oh, you know what though?
I can't win, bro. The odds are against me. No, this is between me and her now.
Rose
you
Blossom?
messed with the wrong queen, Rose Blossom. Come on. Oh my god, I can win it. I can do it. Oh baby, that's perfect. That's good, perfect. That's Stay in there. Stay in there. Nice.
Yay.
We got another one. Let's go. Finally. Rose Blossom is my queen. I kind of like low-key want to light these off inside my arcade, but I probably shouldn't. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my god, and didn't do anything. What the heck? Let's go for Mr. Crackle. Alright? We all know that guy who cracks jokes all the time, alright? His name is Mr. Crackle.
It's actually a meaning for drug use.
Yeah, you could also sell Crackle, but we're gonna keep this channel kid-friendly and not talk about the effects that cocaine has on kids. Oh my god!
It's literally explosive.
I am stressed out right now.
You
guys can't comprehend the stress that I go through every day trying to win stuff and make videos, alright? Yeah, camera battery. Oh my god.
Alright, how about this?
Guys, it slips out every time. My mommy said that. I'm gonna win this sparkling glory for my country, for the 4th of July, for all the Americans out there. Salute the troops. Sparkling glory shall be mine. No, what the heck? Gosh darn it. What it is, I know what it is. You need to like the video down below. Come on. No way. Oh my god. Alright, come on. Oh my gosh. Guys. No way. Come on. Oh my god, we got it. Stay. Stay. Stay for daddy. Oh my god. Oh, I almost just like, it almost fell. Yes. Hey, Fever. Hey. She's my bestie. Oh, that might have it. No way. 2 in a row. 2 in a row. 2 in a row. Yeah.
As it then bounces out.
Nice. We got Mr. Crackle, baby. Pyro fan, can we win it? Can we win it? Oh.
Nobody can stand it up.
Alright, what's going on, Joy fam? So, sorry for the lame ending. My mic got turned off and I didn't notice, and so basically the rest of the video was just silence. So the thing is, I'm really sorry to disappoint you guys, but I lit all the fireworks already. I couldn't really help myself. I just gave in to temptation, and it was a lot of fun. They weren't anything big, so I'm sure a lot of you guys are probably going to go see fireworks tonight or something like that, so I'm sure you guys got it down covered. If not, I do have one firework. I have this guy right here, so I'm going to light him off right now. And I'm inside, so I don't know how how safe this is, but here we go. By the way, I'm just like holding my webcam on my computer. It's a weird camera setup, but kind of scared a little bit. All right, here we go. Oh god, I'm a little scared. Oh god, oh god, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh shoot, oh my god, oh fuck, it's on fire, it's on fire. Oh my god, holy shoot. Oh my god. Alright. That was literally on fire, and I have this carpet, almost lit the carpet on fire. Holy crap. Alright, well. Sorry, ooh, that was, so yeah guys, that was, hopefully you enjoyed that little firework snippet. Sorry I couldn't get it all on film. I couldn't help myself. It was too much fun. So, alright, well thanks guys for watching. Like the video down below if you enjoyed it. Twitter, Snapchat, Instagram. Links are in the description as always, and I'll see you guys next time.